Like, won't move. Leo. Leo, do you mind? I just almost destroyed my car. Like, why the TV? Go somewhere else. Like, why the TV? Like, out of everything, you go in front of the TV. Like, you can barely see what's going on. So my car's almost destroyed. Oh my god. Move! Oh my god. You said late the party overlay. He's playing with them. Oh my god. He won't stop. Can you move? Wait. Oh, there it is. Every time I speak, the party overlay comes on, obviously. And I think he likes it. What is he doing? Why the TV? Come on, Leo. Leo, move! Get out, please. I'm trying to do a race. Oh my god. Can you, like, move, please? Oh my god. Please, come on. Why the TV? Like, get off. You're always on the TV. He's kind of moved now, I guess. Oh, now he's just... Why the TV? Like, out of everything, you go for the TV. Like... Like, please, I'm trying to drive. At least I can kind of see now. Alright, you know what, I don't even care anymore.